2026 just became a watershed moment for the global economy. We are watching the AI industry shift from basic chatbots to a trillion-dollar agentic revolution. Leading the news, Anthropic has raised a $65 billion Series H at a $965 billion post-money valuation. Backed by a massive SpaceX compute deal, absolute wealth is rapidly concentrating around a few infrastructure megacorporations. In consumer tech, Apple just rebuilt Siri to actively read your on-screen context and execute multi-step actions across apps. This leap from passive answering to autonomous action is called agentic AI, effectively giving a billion people a free digital assistant. This processing power is trickling down to physical sectors, directly driving oncology drug development and surgical robotics. Tomorrow's higher living standards will be defined by AI solving complex medical challenges. Meanwhile, a fierce consumer price war has erupted. Google dropped its AI Plus plan to just $4.99 a month. This race to the bottom democratizes access to elite productivity tools for everyone. So here is the final prediction. We are entering an era of unprecedented, hyper-cheap personal productivity and living standards, driven by an industry where the absolute wealth is controlled by a few trillion-dollar titans.
Please consider us for your website and app development needs. We are Irish after all.